Okay, today I am going to start the interpolation formula for unequal intervals. Okay, already I explained in the first video what is the difference between equal and unequal intervals. Here there are x values 0, 2, 3, 4. Corresponding to x values we have f of x or y values minus 4, 2, 14 and 158. See the difference between x values. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 2, 1, 6 minus 3, 3. See, difference is 2, 1, 3. H is not equal. That means common difference is not equal. Unequal intervals. Okay. In the unequal intervals, to find the values of y or f of x by using the given value of x, we use two methods. The first one is Newton's divided difference formula. And the second one is Lagrange's interpolation formula. Okay, now come to the first one. The Newton's divided difference formula, and this formula is also called as Newton's general interpolation formula. Okay, in this case, first we have to construct divided difference table. See, divided difference means we have to divide two values, and difference we have to find the difference. Divided difference. Okay, here I will take x values. First value is x0, next x1, x2, x3. And instead of y, in the equal interval we took y, but in the Newton's divided difference formula, take f of x, that is f of x0, f of x1, f of x2, f of x3. Okay? See. Now, divided difference. First find the difference. 2 minus of minus 4. See, 2 minus of minus 4. Difference between f of x values. Next, find the difference between x values. So, 2 minus 0. See, 2 minus of minus 4 divided by 2 minus 0. Difference and we divide it. Divided the difference. Okay, that is equal to 3. Similarly, for second and third value, 14 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2. See, 14 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2. That is equal to 12. Similarly, for next two values, 158 minus 14 divided by 6 minus 3. See, 158 minus 14 divided by 6 minus, that is equal to 48. Okay, these values gives first divided differences. Okay, by using first divided differences, we can find the second divided difference. See, second divided differences. 12 minus 3. See, 12 minus 3. Denominator is very important. See here. 3. This one. 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0. Okay. 12 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 0 is 3. Next. 48 minus 12 divided by 6. This one. 6 minus 2. Got it? 6 minus 2. That is equal to 9. These two values are called as second divided differences. Next. Find the third divided differences by using second divided differences. 9 minus 3, see 9 minus 3 divided by same as previous one, that is 6 minus 0. Very important. 6 minus 0 like this. Okay. 6 minus 0. 9 minus 3 divided by 6 minus 0 is 1. This is our third divided difference. Okay. Here in the divided difference table, concentrate only on f of x0 value, and in this case only first values, these values, first values. First divided difference value is denoted by f of x0 x1. That means divided difference between x0 and x1. Okay, this is where f of x0 is called as a leading term. Now divided differences. First divided difference is f of x0 x1. Next, second one, f of x0, x1, x2. That means divided difference between these three values, x0, x1 and x2. Okay. Next, third one, f of x0, x1, x3, x2, x3 gives the third divided difference. If you find next one, fourth divided difference, the first value of the fourth divided difference is denoted by f of x0, x1, x2, x3 and x4, etc. Okay, in the divided difference formula, we use only first values. No need to worry about the remaining values. And what is the formula to find f of x See here, f of x is first term, f of x naught, that means leading term. Next term, x minus x naught, x is the given value, x naught is the first value of x minus x naught into first divide difference first value, f of x naught x1, this one. Okay, next term, plus, next value. We repeat the previous term, that is f of, here we have x minus x naught, next term only x minus x naught into x minus x1, take one more term, x minus x naught into x minus x1, multiply with first divide difference, that is second divide difference first value, that is f of x naught x1 x2. Okay, next term is, see, x minus x naught x minus x1 into x minus x2, add one more, multiply with one more term, x minus x naught x1, next x minus x2 is multiplied with f of x naught x1 x2 x3, third divide difference. Can you guess the next term? Next term is, see, x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, one more term. Multiply with f of x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4, fourth divide difference. Then what is the next one? Next one is x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 into x minus x4 is multiplied with fifth divide difference, f of x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, etc. Okay, substitute leading term f of x naught, leading divided differences, and x value, x naught, x1, x2, x3 value, etc. and simplify. That gives the f of x value at the given value of x. Okay. Now we'll come to the problems. First problem. See here. Using Newton's divided difference formula, use Newton's divided difference formula to find f of 4. F of 4 means at x is equal to 4, find the value of f of x by using these four values of x and f of x. Okay, x naught, x1, x2, x3, and f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2, f of x3. Tabulate. These are the x values. These are all f of x values. Now divided differences. Already I construct the same table while explaining the divide difference table. Okay, these are all divide difference values. Now write the formula up to third divided difference. That means f of x naught, x1, x2, x3. Okay, the formula is f of x naught, x minus x naught, f of x naught, x1, x minus x naught, x minus x1, f of x naught, x1, x2. Next term, x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2 into f of x naught, x1, x2, x3. No need to write next term because we have only up to third divided difference. Substitute the values of x. X is given, x is 4, and f of x naught, f of x naught, x1, etc. Then finally we get f of x at 4 is 40. That's it. Okay. Similarly, I will go to the next problem. See, next problem is with respect to construct the interpolation polynomial. That means you have to find f of x polynomial, same as equal intervals. You have to find f of x in terms of x first. Okay. For the given data using Newton divided difference formula. Okay. X values 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, difference is 2, 4, 5, difference is 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, here 2, unequal. Okay, using divide difference formula, construct the table, x values, f of x values, divided differences. See here, first one, 96 minus 10 divided by 4 minus 2, see, 43. Next, 196 minus 196, 5 minus 4, 100. Similarly, next values, construct the difference table. I will send the notes also along with this video. Okay. Next, go to the second divide differences. Same thing. Third divide differences. See here, third divide differences are 2, 2, 2. That means divided differences are equal. No need to construct the next divided difference, because if we construct the next divided difference, we get 0 only. 2 minus 2, 0. Again 2 minus 2, 0. No need to go to the next divided difference. Okay. First you have to construct the polynomial. To construct the polynomial, first write the formula. Same formula. f of x naught, x minus x naught, x minus x1, and next to x minus x naught, x minus x1, f of x naught, x1, x2, etc. Okay. Now, f of x naught is 10. Take x is equal to x. That may be equal interval or unequal interval. To fit a polynomial, you have to take x is equal to x. Okay. 10 x minus 2. X naught value is 2. Next, first divide 43. Similarly, substitute all the values and then simplify. We get the polynomial. This is your polynomial. 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 4 is your polynomial. Okay. Similarly, next one. Next one is also with respect to polynomial only. Okay. Fit an interpolating polynomial for the given data. U at 10 is 355 means this is your x naught. X naught is 10. F of x naught is 355. Next, x1 0 and f of x1 is minus 5. Next, 8 minus 21 1 4 etc. Okay. 1 0 1 4 8 10. Actually here we have not x naught. Oh, this one is I think wrong. 0 given data is wrong actually. Values are 0 1 4 8 10. 0 1 4 8 10. Okay, change the data. 0 5 14. Okay, actually this data is wrong. The given data is wrong. Okay, I'll go to the next problem. Okay, come to this one. 20 22 29 32. Yeah, it is correct. Okay. Given that is U20 is 24.37, 22 is 49.28, etc. Now we have to find what? U at 28. At x is equal to 28. Okay. Now construct the difference table. 20, 22, 29, 32. What is the difference? Here 2, here 7. And here it is 3, unequal. And f of x values. Same, divide differences. See? Second divide difference, third divide difference. Okay. Here we get values in terms of decimals. Next, go to formula. Write the formula and substitute. What is x here? X is how much? 28. U at x is equal to 28. Then substitute the remaining values. Then we get the value at x is equal to 28. That is 141.94. Okay. Similarly, next one now. Find the cubic polynomial, means polynomial f of x, which passes through the points 2, 4 means this is x value, this is f of x value. This is x value, f of x. Okay. x0, x1, x2, x3 like that. Okay. Now tabulate the values, construct divide difference. See, construct divide differences. This table is end with third divide difference only. Write the formula and substitute and simplify. Here we have to take x is equal to x only because we have to go, we are going to find what? A polynomial. X is equal to x only. See, after that it is given that find f of 3, f of 5, f of 7 and f of 11, means put x is equal to 3, 5, 7 and 11 in this polynomial. Then we get f of 3 is 21, f of 5 is 115, f of 7 is 329, f of 11 is 1309. Okay. Next problem. Same. Here Newton's divided formula to find f of 8 and f of 15. No need to find the polynomial. Directly take x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 15. Okay. For the values 4, 5, 7, 10, 11 and 13. See, difference 1, 2. Here it is 3, 1, 2. Okay. Unequal. Construct the difference table. First divide differences, second divide differences, third divide differences. Since third divide differences are 1 equal, fourth divide difference is 0. Okay. Now go to the first one. What is first one? F of 8 and then f of 15. Write the formula and put x is equal to 8 And the next one, x is equal to 15 for same formula. Then we get f of 8 and f of 15. Okay. Similarly, next problem also. Okay. This is about your Newton's divided difference formula. Okay. By using Newton's divided difference formula, we can apply same formula for equal interval also. That's why this formula is called as general interpolation formula. General means we can apply for both equal and unequal. Okay, but for equal we use Newton's Gregory forward and backward. For unequal we use this one, Newton's divided difference formula. Okay, okay. Then solve this one also. Then we get the solution is what? See, polynomial. This is with respect to fit a polynomial. That means you have to take x is equal to x only in the formula. Then simplify. We get 3x power 4, 5x cube minus plus 6x square minus 14x plus 5. Okay. This is about Newton's divided. Anyway, I will send notes along with this video. First listen to the video and then read the notes. Okay.